Everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be swatching some of these Naio Nails Urban Graffiti gel polishes. This is for you, Shells Nails. I know you love their polishes. So I've just picked out 6. I have got more, but I've picked out 6 that I want to do a bit of springtime stamping with these as the background colour. So I'm just going to play some music while I swatch and stamp and make 6 different nails just to showcase these colours, and I'll join you at the end. I hope you enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. enjoyed that, guys. So I showed you them with the matte coat before I came back on here. So these are with the shiny coat. So let us know which ones you prefer, matte or shiny. I'm a bit on the fence. I like them both. And let us know if you've got a favourite nail. I quite like this one, and this one, and this one. I'm not keen on them too. But you let us know what you guys think. So the background colours I used was Spring Daffodil for this one, Periwinkle, Perfect Pistachio, Looking Glass, Oopsie Daisy and Love Note. So I just wanted to put them on nails and do a bit of a design rather than swatch sticks, because I've got 1001 swatch sticks. I'm sick of them. These do have the colour swatched on the top, and they are pretty much close to, so I do like that. I don't really have to put them on a swatch stick. But let us know if you like them, which one's your favourite. And if you're watching this, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help us out. And anyone who is subscribed and my usual watchers, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.